All right, everybody, welcome back. It's been a while. So right now, I came to pick up something, Facebook Marketplace, and it's 700-watt portable power station for 180, and it's rated at 700 watts. And I will explain everything in detail, but pretty much, yeah, I came all the way to check out my Google Maps. Yeah, this is the address. So it was like literally 40 minutes, 30 miles. So a lot of things has happened. Like change of events in life, like drastic change. So I will have to give you guys a follow-up and update. But this is like the first video. I just got this camera. It's the same thing from Facebook Marketplace. I got it for $50 and it got shipped to me for $5, so I paid $55. And it's a replacement of my Yi action camera. So I'm in a budget, and that's what happened. My original Yi 4K action camera got messed up. Remember, I bought it in 2016 when I went to Costa Rica, and then last year it finally gave up on me. And yeah, so right now I'm gonna buy that portable power station, so I can go ahead and since I'm pretty much living in my truck. Let me show you guys. Yeah, it's like gonna be a nice long video, giving you guys a really good update of what happened, what's going on. So, and then also I bought this too, really cheap. It was brand new, got a really good deal. But yeah, so look, and I use all these things to shade out the light. And pretty much I have clean clothes, and this is how I've been surviving and I've been living. So yeah, so this is like an investment so I can energize and power certain devices. But yeah, so I'm gonna make this a quick little video, and then we'll go into detail, everybody, like what happened, what's going on, and I'll show you guys paperwork and a good setting. But yeah, so pretty much I gotta start investing, and but yeah, so thank goodness. And I'll show you guys how my I gotta do a special shout out to who it was. So let's see, look real quick. So you see, that's this for this, what I'm gonna pick up right now. But this is okay, the person that sold me, you see, my camera. This is it. Yi action sold. Well, it's already been. But yeah, so it was Christine. She's the one that sold me, and I paid her through BMO, whatever. Yeah, so you see, I send her a proof that I received the package, and then they will leave a little short voicemails. That's me opening the package, and I made sure everything worked, and then I paid her gladly. So special shout out, everybody. Thank Christine for getting Freedom Gardens back online, and it costs $55 because I am living in the streets, and I will explain that in a good video. All right, my peeps. So when I have pizza, because I'm in a budget. But yeah, all right. So I'm gonna pick this up, and then we'll continue the video. All right, peace, love, and health. I'm all jacked up. All right, guys, boys and girls, laters. All right, my peeps. So I got it. I paid it. I was just $6 short. Yeah, the guy was cool with it. So it was 174. It was supposed to be 180, but he was okay with it. So this is the car charger for it. This is the manual. So this is what it is. So we just take out the little manual real quick together. Hopefully I don't regret it, man. Hopefully these are $180 well invested. Yeah, so I do miss having a camera, and thank you, Christine, because you came through. Like, oh man, it feels great. Like, yeah. Oh, so everyone, I'm gonna like bombard you guys with a lot of content. So Freedom Garden is gonna be, I'm gonna download everything, all my life, all my knowledge, everything. So it's gonna be skateboarding content. Skateboarding content. It's gonna be art content. You know, I'm an artist. I like to draw. Okay, look, this is for the wall outlet, 120. So yeah, yeah, and then okay, so yeah, my channel's gonna consist of a whole lot of different stuff now, like legal stuff, homelessness, the housing situation. Yeah, so there you go, portable power station. Yeah, and it's not that heavy too. It's not that heavy. It's not that heavy. So here it is, and we're gonna go to my storage and we're gonna test it out because I have my gear. Yeah, so I ended up getting a storage since I got unlawfully evicted. Yeah, by my dad, my father. Yeah, the man. But yeah, so there you go. Look, brand new. They said, I asked about the warranty. They said if anything goes wrong, just bring it back. They'll exchange it. Or they'll swap it. Then they said 3 months. But either way, he said, you know something, if anything happens, stay, you know, just keep my number, and then we have, you know, we have someone to swap it for you. You know, I won't even like give you a replacement or anything. So there you go. So we got for the USB. Okay, oh nice. Then we got to hold it for the AC, for the 2 outlets. And then for the 12 volts, the DC. And then the lights, these are lights right here. And they get different settings. Yeah, those are it. So hold it, turn off. Oh, this is for the solar panels right here. You connect the adapter, then put jack into here, and we start charging it up through solar panels. Through here, you charge it through your vehicle, and then through here you do it also through the watt outlet. All right. Hopefully I'm getting it. And then let me hold this. That's off, and then AC. And we're off. And then USB. And we're off. Alright. So nothing will drain or die, but I'm going to put everything back. So look, for the electricity, the outlet, the wall outlet, there you go. Right here. This is it. Fits perfectly. Oops. Yeah, and then this is for the vehicle, which goes in here. And we're gonna test it out. We're gonna make another video. But yeah, so this is pretty much me just trying to catch up. Alright, my peeps. So I'm gonna put this away. And I'm gonna give you guys a lot. I'm gonna bombard you guys with videos. It's gonna be everywhere. And it's no longer gonna be freedom gardens in my parents' house, where I was filming and documenting freedom gardens. Like, yeah, so freedom gardens got shut down by my father. All right, everyone, so expect all kind of contents. Welcome back, everybody, boys and girls. And I apologize for going MIA. My camera got messed up and my whole life situation changed for the worse. But I'm gonna make a killer comeback. I'm gonna ask you guys for your support, and I'm gonna bring you guys along the journey. And this is not an isolated event, like, meaning a lot of people are going through this crap, you know, of homelessness and you know, just injustices. I'm gonna share it, man. I'm going to share everything. I'm going to expose stuff. So it's a lot of things coming, people. So just stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned. All right, everybody. Peace, love, and health. Because I got to make moves. I got to do things. And all right, laters.